Learn conversation with sick friend. Peter, how are you? Peter, how are you?
I am fine. I am fine.
What happened to you? What happened to you?
I was drenched in the rain for a long time. I was drenched in the rain for a long time. That's why I got cold and fever. That's why I got cold and fever. I was in the hospital for 2 days. I was in the hospital for 2 days. It is just an ordinary fever. It is just an ordinary fever. The doctor gave me tablets for 5 days. The doctor gave me tablets for 5 days.
Are you okay now? Are you okay now?
I am okay now. I am okay now.
Do you take the medicines regularly? Do you take the medicines regularly?
Yes. I take the medicines regularly. Yes. I take the medicines regularly.
When will you come to office? When will you come to office?
Doctor advised me to take rest for next 2 days. Doctor advised me to take rest for next 2 days. I will come on Wednesday. I will come on Wednesday.
I bought some fruits for you. I bought some fruits for you.
Why did you buy all these? Why did you buy all these? It is enough that you came. It is enough that you came.
It's okay. You need to take rest. It's okay. You need to take rest. We shall meet on Wednesday. We shall meet on Wednesday. Okay, bye. Get well soon. Okay, bye. Get well soon. To watch more videos, subscribe our Pep English channel.